if you have a leaking high or low service port Schrader valve, you can replace that Schrader valve on a charged AC system with a tool like this. This one is Mastercool. It's a valve core remover installer. This one happens to be for an R134a system. This is for my 2012 Toyota Sequoia, but it's the same. If you need the same concept, if you need to do it for the Tacoma, which uses the R134YF. You got to make sure when you buy a kit like this, it matches your system. So for the Tacoma, it must be an R134YF. I do not need it for the Tacoma. I bought it for the Sequoia since it does have a leaking Schrader valve right now. Here it is. That's how it works. These attach to your service ports, high-low if you need it, depends which one. This is an actual Schrader valve for a Sequoia, 2012 Sequoia. O-rings, that's what fails, and then the gas leaks out, and then of course your AC stops working. And this simply goes into the end of this piece right here. Oops, right there. And then you use this, insert it into there, and this keeps it from leaking. You remove the old one, rinse and repeat, seal it off, and put the new one in, and you're good to go. So I recommend if you have older vehicles, you know the AC is going to go. These O-rings don't last forever. This may be a good little kit to have. I think 50 bucks or so from Amazon, and you're good to go. Schrader valves, I actually went to the dealership and got these. You can buy kits with a bunch of different size Schrader valves, and you're bound to find the right size for your vehicle. And with this tool, it's nice because you can remove the old one, buy a kit, or go to AutoZone or somewhere and say, I need a Schrader valve just like this one, you know, and then you're good to go instead of guessing. So that's my tip right there. All right, let's get back to it. Show you this one more time. And again, make sure you get it for your system. This is an R134a kit.